Hey everyone, welcome back to Open Exploit. I'm Pawan, and today we're diving into really sneaky web vulnerability that a lot of people overlook. It's called Open Redirect vulnerability. Don't worry, there's no code in this one. Just clear, real-world explanation to help you understand what it is, how it works, and why it is dangerous. If you have ever clicked a link, if you have ever clicked a link thinking you are going on one place and end up somewhere else, you have seen how this can be exploited. So let's start simple. What is Open Redirect? Imagine you are on a website that says, hey, click here to go to your profile. Behind the scenes, that click might redirect you to another page using URL parameter. Something like, now, if the website doesn't check where the redirect is going, anyone can replace that link with something dangerous like, and here's the trick. The link still looks like it comes from trusted site, but it actually sends you somewhere totally different. That's what makes it Open Redirect. It allows redirect to anywhere without control. So how do attackers use this? Let's say you get an email from that looks like a bank. It includes a link that starts with bank's real domain like securebank.com, but hidden at the end of that link is a redirect, and it takes you to a fake login page that looks exactly like the bank site. You enter a password and boom, your credentials are stolen. Why does this work so well? Because people trust the beginning of the link. They see securebank.com and assume it's legit. Why it's dangerous? Open redirect are dangerous because they help attackers first bypass filters and firewalls, second trick users into giving up password, third lead to malware download, fourth damage the reputation of trusted website. Even large websites have made these mistakes. Google, Facebook, even Microsoft have had open redirects reported and passed. So, how do we prevent open redirect? If you are a developer or security engineer, here are the top tips. 1. Never allow redirect links to completely open. Always check for restriction. Always check or restrict them. 2. Use a allow list. Only let the user be redirected to URLs that you trust. 3. Make sure all the external redirect shown a warning message to user before redirecting. Something like you are about to leave your site. Do you want to continue? And if you are a user, always hover over the link before clicking. On mobile, long press it. If it starts with something legit but ends in something weird, don't click it. Open rewrite might sound like a small thing, but it's one of those tiny cracks in the wall that can let attackers straight in. It's a great reminder that even the simplest feature can become security risk if you don't handle them properly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to Open Exploit for weekly cybersecurity content made simple. Got question about redirect or want me to cover other vulnerabilities like CSRF and clickjacking? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to share this with your friend who's into security or building website. It could save them a major headache. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay secure. I'm Pawan, and I'll see you in the next one.